what is taking place. In fact, we have the Harvard announcement coming about in regard to these are plans as far as international students are concerned. So this is something that is extremely crucial at this point in time. So the University of Harvard as well as the Toronto University, they're making these plans in order. They have agreed to back up student plan visas, and they have issued these prompt cross-border education deals as well. Maha joining us from Canada. Take us through the kind of deal that Canada is offering, particularly the Toronto University.
Divya, the North American universities are now collaborating to tide over any possible hiccups that international students could face in the US because of any possible immigration-related changes for international students. So we are seeing that the Harvard Kennedy School is now in collaboration with the University of Toronto's Munk School for global governance and policy. What they are planning to do now is that the returning students to Harvard Kennedy School who might face any problem, if at all, could then finish their program at the University of Toronto's Munk School. This collaboration is coming through both through online classes as well as in-person classes. So the option to take online classes with the faculty from Harvard Kennedy School and with the faculty from University of Toronto will exist for students who might face visa-related problems. And this is specifically for returning students who are coming back this fall. Moreover, the University of Toronto has announced that these students will be allowed to take part in all the extracurricular activities on the university campus. They have also allayed concerns, if any, to the students in University of Toronto, saying that they will not be impacted. The number of student enrollments within the Munk School will not be impacted, nor will their spaces for residents within the university campus. So this is a collaborative effort to overcome any hiccups that the international students might face. Meanwhile, the students who are likely to move from the Harvard Kennedy School, if at all, to the University of Toronto's Munk School, will not be paying their fees to the University of Toronto. Rather, it continues to go to the Harvard Kennedy School, and they will then cover the overall costs of any students who might need this diversion to the University of Toronto.